and this is Ife's Food Kitchen, where I make recipes, ever so often. So if you want to be part of the content I'll be bringing out to this channel, please consider subscribing. That would be most helpful. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my recipe of cheesy pasta bake. So as you can tell from the name, it's a pasta dish, and it's got lots of cheese in it, which is why it's called cheesy pasta bake. And it's why it's called a bake is because I'm going to be baking it in the oven. If you want to see how I'm going to be making it, please stay tuned.
Hi guys, welcome back to my mum's food cooking channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's going to be in a link below. Best Relates on YouTube. I post vlogs, I post story times, anything that you want to hear, to be honest, but it might not cater to you guys. Whether you want to watch it, you can. You don't have to. Just make sure you like, comment and subscribe. But yeah, here my mum today, she's making cheesy pasta bake. And she's going to be using some beef mince,
So that's my daughter. So you heard it from the horse's mouth. So I'll be making beef cheesy pasta bake using beef mince. So jump into the video. So I have this pot of water that's been boiling. Well, it's really hot, but it's not like really boiling. Just a little salt, not too much. I'm gonna give that a stir and let that go for about 10 minutes. I don't want it to be too soft. I just want it al dente. I'm going to start making the sauce for them. You can see the pasta is boiling away. So I'm just going to let that go for another 5-10 minutes so that it's soft but not too soft, because it's going to continue cooking in the oven. I'm gonna make my sauce now for the meat. I'm adding a bit of olive oil. I'll let that go for a bit, then I'll put my onions, pepper, and garlic. So that's okay now. So I'm gonna turn that off. And what I'm going to do is mix the pasta and the sauce together, and then add some cheese to it, and then put it in the oven. Is ready, and I'll push it to one side. So what I'm going to do is put the pasta in this bowl and mix it with that sauce. I'm going to use my spider spoon so that I don't need to drain any water. So I've finished putting the pasta in the bowl. So what I'm going to do next is put some cheese in. Some mozzarella cheese. The cheesy pasta bake. It's ready. Look at that cheese. Those are one of the ways you can eat it, with salad as a side dish, or with bread, garlic bread, or on its own. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.